Now we'll press the molding in place. So, okay, and we'll just press that in place. There we go. Again, we peel off the 3M adhesive back. Okay. And now you can see as the molding pushes, here it's touching because it's getting pushed out by the corner padding. It pushes it in, and look at how tight your seam comes. So even if you've got pretty severe imperfections in your wall and ceiling, the molding will contour to it because of that. Make sure you reach under and press it tight into place. And you can come back, peel the bottom off, get your corner lined up nice. I like to stop about there until I do the seam. Now, here's an easy way to cut this to length. So again, I just flip it around and I cut it about 5 or 6 inches longer. No need to be accurate. Just cut it with a pair of scissors. Now the reason this doesn't need to be accurate, if you watch here, the molding will actually overlap and adjust. So I have movement here. I slide it tight into the corner, press the molding tight there, okay? We'll peel off the adhesive backing. Okay, and we'll press this in place. And press it up nice and tight to the ceiling. Now, the way we're going to handle the seams, this is not the seam that you're going to see. So what we'll do is, we'll peel some of this backing on the bottom edge back. And now that's important, because what that's going to do, we're going to line it up and make sure the molding is nice and lined up, okay? Then we're going to take our scissors, and we're going to cut up through the 2 pieces of molding simultaneously. And this is going to give us an absolutely perfect butt joint every time. We'll remove the piece of scrap from this side, reach under, remove that piece of scrap from that side. Okay. Then you take one of the pieces of scrap that you cut off, and you take the adhesive that's supplied with you. And what we're going to do is we're going to reach under the molding, and this is going to basically bridge the 2 pieces together. And this is going to give us our nice, perfect inside, our nice, perfect seam. So then we press them nice and tight together. Get the bottom tape started here. Peel back the bottom tape. Pull it off from the other side. Come down and press it in place, and there you have it. And it installs that easy using nothing but a common pair of household scissors. Now, you just saw me use lightweight plastic molding, and you're saying, well, it's probably not durable enough. So let's give it a little test. We have 2 hammers. I'm going to hit it with both. Let's go with the bigger one. So, if you have any friends that are going to come and start banging on your molding on a ladder, you know, maybe you suggest you pick different friends.